Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video today I am doing a at night whole house clean with me. Our kids were currently spending the night at a family member's house, so I got to get the whole entire house cleaned as soon as we got home, which was pretty late. It was like about 10 o'clock at night or so. So I am just quickly going to clean up everything. And of course my husband is playing the game.
We tried to break it off, but we returned to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. The best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best, the best bad thing that has Opposites attract, I guess they're right, 'cause we are just like night and day, and that is fine by me. 'Cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me, perfect to me. We're drawn to each other. We tried to break it off, but return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily.
So I'm just going to quickly put away these dishes and then load up the dishwasher. It was not nearly enough for me to fill up the dishwasher and start it, but I did want to just get the dishes out of my sink. I could have hand washed them, but I decided not to, seeing as though we were going to be home for a couple of days by ourselves. So I just wanted to just throw them in a dishwasher. I didn't really want to do much cleaning the next day. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you would carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. So as I was hand washing these cups, my camera decided to die, so I just sprayed down the counter and let that really disinfect my counters while I went upstairs and handled some cleaning up there.
But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the
shopping for baby L. So we also got like some socks and underwear for the kids, so I really wanted to get those in the washer as well, just so that way they were clean and ready for the kids to wear them. And also we got a lot of clothes for our son, so you'll see that I am going to end up doing actually a whole load of laundry, full of just like his clothes. Also, I will not be folding any laundry in this video, but I just will be washing them.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So we are headed back downstairs to wipe off these counters and sweep up. But before I even turned back on the camera, I had to trim my husband's ends of his hair because his hair was quite ridiculous and I got tired of brushing it out. So I did cut a few inches off just to make it a little bit easier on the both of us. So please don't be grossed out by the hair that you'll see on the floor. So as I said earlier, I'm just going to throw these clothes in the washer that we got for our son, and that's pretty much going to be it. I am just changing my clothes. I took a shower and I'm throwing that in the load as well, just to get all of the laundry finished, and that is going to complete our video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole house nighttime clean with me, also kid free. So if you enjoy videos like this, please guys let me know any recommendations of some videos you guys would like to see. I am very much open to making it a little bit more different content. I do have some other things that I want to do as far as a baby haul and getting ready for baby L and stuff like that. So I hope you guys are ready for that as well, and please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.